Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks. In today's video, we're taking a look at a company that you probably come across every single day online and don't even realize. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at a company that deals in online advertising. Now their stock just hit the public market this summer, and since then they've picked up several buy ratings from 5-star analysts with some pretty impressive upside potential. So we're going to take a closer look at what this company does and what has analysts feeling so bullish about the future. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. All right, now we are going to be diving into Taboola.com. Their stock trades under the ticker TBLA and is currently priced at $8.74 per share. Now, like I said at the beginning, Taboola is probably a name you've come across while searching the web, although you may not have paid much attention or recognized it. Taboola is a recommendation engine. They gather data on the different websites that you visit and provide different advertisements like side banner links and different advertisements like recommended for you and around the web. Taboola is a search in reverse engine, from people looking for information to information looking for people. Now, anyone who spends a good bit of time on the internet is very familiar with targeted advertising. It can be as simple as Googling a new fishing rod for your dad's birthday, and all of a sudden the next few days of your advertisements are all fishing gear related. Now, some people find these targeting ads a bit controversial, but one thing is for sure is that it isn't going away. And Taboola is processing this type of search data at a massive scale. There is 1 petabyte of data processed by the Taboola AI daily to 1 trillion different monthly users and 516 million daily active users. Taboola has built a strong foundation of solid advertising relationships with 5-year contracts with some of the big name sites like Bloomberg, Business Insider, CBS News, and MSN. Continuing to focus on future growth, on September 1st, Taboola completed the acquisition of Connexity. Connexity is one of the largest e-commerce media platforms on the open web. Its large scale of 6,000 publishers and 1,600 direct merchant relations to Taboola unlocks new ways for publishers, advertisers, and merchants to effectively scale outside of walled gardens. Moving forward, Taboola will give advertisers and merchants new ways to benefit by offering Connexity e-commerce solutions across Taboola's vast network of more than 9,000 digital properties that reach those 500 million daily active users. By tapping into Taboola's network of trusted editorial content, e-commerce brands will be able to drive customer acquisition on a massive scale by placing their products on more stories that consumers are reading. Just earlier this week on September 14th, it was announced that Taboola would also be partnering with Xiaomi, a manufacturer of smartphones. They will be powering recommendations across Xiaomi's smartphones with Taboola News. Taboola News will bring recommendations from Taboola's large publisher network directly into offerings from mobile carriers and device manufacturers, including smartphone screens and web browsers. Xiaomi will integrate these recommendations on the lock screens of its more than 100 million overseas smartphones. As I mentioned previously, Taboola just went public this summer, hitting the public market at the end of June following a SPAC merger with the Ion Acquisition Corp. 1. This reverse merger raised about $526 million for the company. Now, at the beginning of August, they shared their most recent quarterly earnings report. In their first quarterly report as a public entity, their revenues came in at $329 million, which was up 22% year over year. Their gross profit grew by over $16 million to about $100 million. Their solid second quarter results prompted management to raise their full year 2021 guidance to the range of $1.316 to $1.323 billion. The previous guidance was $1.308 billion at the top end. Achieving this new guidance will bring approximately 11% year-over-year revenue growth. The most recent analyst rating on the stock came in just yesterday from 5-star analyst Laura Martin from Needham. The analyst did a deep dive and pointed out 3 key reasons behind her price target. One being the platform capabilities and monetization, which lowers Taboola's required payout rate to publishers. 2 being Taboola does not view its account managers as a cost center because they're included in the sales organization and are required to upsell new capabilities. And third, Taboola believes its data and AI algorithm advantages as the largest open internet recommendation engine make its yield even harder to catch up with as time passes. Laura is one of 6 analysts who have rated the stock since it became public. And it comes in with unanimous buy ratings. The average price target is $16 per share, which would be an upside potential of 83%. And while Laura's price target of $13 is very bullish with a 49% upside, it is actually the lowest on the list. Our highest price target comes in at $23, which would be a growth potential of 163%. So that is our quick summary on Taboola. I would love to hear what you guys think, and if you're also as bullish as these analysts seem to be, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Please always keep in mind that these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock and are just meant for information and entertainment purposes. It is always very important that you do your own research and due diligence. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you back here next time.